नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भा नित्यानन्देश्वरी मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ता वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. First thing, I welcome all the Nityananda Yogam participants. The participants who have been invited, to tell you honestly, personally handpicked. Only 102 were handpicked from the database of 17,000. The 17,000 was the database presented to me, and 102 were handpicked, and 90 of you have made it. Welcome home. The purpose of the Nityananda Yogam is what I experienced with Arunagiri Yogeshwara. I want all of you to experience that. I did not have a structured class with him, but it was a no-break inner awakening. It was literally no-break inner awakening. Only one thing I have not seen, he going for 1, 2, 3 I have not seen, that's all. And I am very sure because of Divya Sarira he does not have. Other than that, I have seen everything. It's literally 24 hours life with him. His classes, when he teaches, if he talks 10 words, at least 10 terabyte material will be downloaded. Understand? If he talks 10 words to me, 10 terabyte material will be downloaded into my brain. The way he taught me, trained me, it was a unique style. We should actually call that as a Arunagiri Yogeshwara style. He had his own unique style. So much has been transmitted. So much has happened. Physically, I enjoyed him only for 11.5 months. Less than 12 months. If I have to put it more precise, 9.5 months. If I have to count exact dates, because there were few days gap. Only when I was looking to put the whole thing for autobiography, I was seeing there were few days when the temple had a festival where they will bring the deity in that area. He will not come out and sit. Sometimes he used to take me for a walk and we will sit near the hill and listen. I listen to him. So much has happened. That 9.5 months spread in that 1 year. 11.5 months spread. But only 9.5 months was the, if I have to remove all the holidays, are the days where we did not spend together. It was not a structured, such a spontaneous transmission. Just that 9.5 months has done so much in me. Still I am singing His glory, building thousands of temples for Him. The devotion He commands over me and the loyalty I carry, it is literally loyalty towards myself. That space of Sadashivoham, loyalty towards that experience, joy and gratitude towards that space. Thousands and thousands of unsaid happenings and tons of things not only I have not said, I will never be able to say. Because when he utters a word, for example, if he says Atharvana Veda, the chapter where the science of sound is explained, by the time he completes this word, that whole Veda is downloaded already. When he gives the reference, I can just verify internally and see the chapter and the shloka. I don't know how I can even say it, make you guys understand. Maybe when I do the same thing with our Balasans and they demonstrate it, then you will be able to understand what I am saying. See, in 2003 I told I had my third eye awakened at the age of 12. People were, Some believed, some trusted, some had a hope it may be true. Many had eyebrows raised. Many had their reactions. But now when I make the Balasans do it, when thousands manifest it, the statement looks very 12? Why? Why 12 looks too late? For Swamiji, 12 looks too late. When I uttered the same word in 2003, he claims at the age of 12 he had third eye awakening. Now it seems to be 12, too late. I think Swamiji is junior to me. Many of the Balasans will say. I am much senior to Swamiji. I am only 7'6". I am doing 360. 12? I think Swamiji is a little late. Maybe when my Balasans manifest what I am saying now, that when he uttered the word Atharvana Veda and a chapter, it just like a electric shock, something will happen and I know the whole Atharvana Veda. When he utters the word Mahanirvana or Kularnava, immediately it will be like it will land on me like a huge, a powerful spiritual shock, and I will just know the whole content and thought current of it. And when he says 7th chapter, 3rd verse says, I can see clearly in my inner space, yes, that book exists, this is the chapter and this is the verse. I tasted Sarvanyatva during that period. Please understand, I got it permanently when he merged into me is different, that is separate, but tasting it physically, where he can hold the hand of the Sarvanyatva. I picked up the habit of this biting nail by biting his nail only. And he will be so sweet and polite. I will be sitting and cleaning his nail and cutting his nail with my own hand, cleaning it and biting it and removing. The extreme passions of Sadashiva. In those days, nail cutter and all was not lifestyle for us. The big, it used to be, I think 7 o'clock something was the name of that razor, blade. It used to be popular in those days. With that blade only we will cut the nail. In the school we used to have a pencil sharpener. That sharpener, there will be small blade on that sharpener. So from the broken sharpener I will get that small blade. With that only I will remove his nail, cut his nail. And what doesn't come out, I will put the teeth and pull it out. Bite and pull it out. He will be just sitting with all the passions and a smile in his face. All right, do. I literally tasted the Sarvanyatva. I literally wanted what I went through, what I experienced, what I enjoyed with Arunagiri Yogeshwara to become your experience. That is why I invited all of you for Nityananda Yogam. சித்தனோ சீவன் முக்தனோ பித்தனோ எத்தனோ ஏதும் தெரியாத காலத்தும் அத்தனே வந்து அருளாய் ஆட்கொண்ட ஞான சித்தனே அருணகிரி யோகியே. தடுத்தாட்கொள்ளக்கூட தவறு செய்ய போக வேண்டும். தவறு செய்ய போவதற்கு தெரியாத வயதினிலே வந்து அடுத்தாட்கொண்டவன் அம்பலவானன். தவறு செய்ய போகும் வேளையில் வருவது தடுத்தாட்கொள்ளல். அது தெரியாத வயதில் வந்து அடுத்து ஆட்கொண்டவன் is a symbol of guru disciple relationship. He is symbol of all the best things you can see in the planet Earth, whether it is patience, love, compassion, sacrifice, joy, knowledge, power. The complete manifestation of Sadashivatva, complete manifestation of Sadashivatva. Whatever said, unsaid, which can't be said. Let all the greatest best happen in Sadashivatva between me and Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Let it happen between me and you all. I welcome all the Nityananda Yogam participants to enjoy the space of Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Sadashiva. I was so enamored by him. Literally, he bundled up himself into this body. Like how 10 gunny bag of cotton gets bundled up into one gunny bag. Imagine, that is exactly the way he made himself so thicker and thicker and thicker and poured it in this one body and bundled himself up completely in this one body. Being in love and all is too small word to describe that relationship between me and Arunagiri Yogeshwara. He just bundled up himself into this one body. I think maybe when you experience, you will understand. See, only when I make thousands of people radiate the experience I had, that is the evidence that I had the experience. Because till then it can only be story. So whatever I went through with Arunagiri Yogeshwara, let it happen in all of you. You guys will tell the world it is true. That is why I am saying the Balasans will be the biggest Nityananda's witnesses. Most sweetest, greatest Nityananda's witnesses. Navaratri Utsavam is beginning. Yesterday with Mahalaya Amavasya, the rituals, the preliminary rituals, Purvanga Puja has started formally. The precise exact Navaratra, 9 nights, starts from tomorrow. Navaratri starts from tomorrow. But with the Mahalaya, the preliminary rituals start. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.